Hello, my dear students. I hope you all have been doing well. From today, we are going to start lecture number 8, and this is part 1 of my lecture number 8. In this lecture, we would be studying about fatty acid metabolism. Actually, fatty acid or lipid metabolism include both its anabolism and the catabolism. So, what is the catabolism? Catabolism is the breakdown of fatty acid or lipids. So, in this lecture, we will be having short means uh, introduction of how fatty acid catabolize and what is the pathway by which fatty acid catabolize. So the beta oxidation is the pathway by which the fatty acid catabolize into smaller means units, small chain fatty acid. And the fatty acid anabolism include uh, in this lecture we would be studying about the anabolism, means synthesis of neutral lipids, cholesterol and the fatty acid. So here I would be means one by one little bit explain that how fatty acid catabolize and how they anabolize, means how fatty acid break down and how fatty acid synthesize. So if we would be talking about the catabolism of fatty acid catabolize by the pathway that we known as the beta oxidation. So, in beta oxidation is a metabolic process that involve multiple steps by which fatty acid molecule are broken down to produce energy. And we can also say that beta oxidation is the breaking of long chain fatty acid uh, into short chain fatty acyl CoA. So the beta oxidation, only in the beta oxidation only those fatty acids that have been converted into the acyl CoA break down into fatty acyl CoA that are having short chains. So this is the pathway of the means metabolism of long chain fatty acid, all those long chain fatty acid that first have been converted into acyl CoA. So first long chain fatty acid convert into acyl CoA in the cytoplasm, and after that they enter in the mitochondria, and they will go through multiple steps of reaction, and then they convert uh, uh, into fatty acyl CoA. They oxidize and convert into fatty acyl CoA. So we will be studying about the explanation of all these steps of beta oxidation in my coming lecture, but this lecture is just to give you introduction of what is catabolism of fatty acid and what is the anabolism and what are the type of catabolism of fatty acid and what are the pathways by which fatty acid synthesize. So, in the anabolism of fatty acid, we would be studying about the fatty acid synthesis. So, what is the fatty acid synthesis and how fatty acid synthesize? Actually, fatty acid synthesis is the synthesis of fatty acid from acetyl CoA and NADPH by the action of enzyme fatty acid synthesis. For the synthesis of fatty acid um, fatty acid synthesis enzyme synthesize fatty acid from acetyl CoA and NADPH. So this is the fatty acid synthesis, and the how the neutral lipid synthesize. Neutral lipid actually are those lipid that are lacking charge group. So if you hear my first lecture, lecture number 7 of this topic, in that I show you the picture of the charge lipid, that is a phospholipid, that is having the charge means charge head or non-charge tail, means charge head that was having a phosphate group. So neutral lipid are all those lipid that are not having any charge group or any polar head. So one of the type of neutral lipid is the glycerol, and these glycerol synthesize when uh, uh, they accept fatty acid from acyl CoA. So and they form glycerol lipid. Means glycerol lipid synthesize after when glycerol head group accept fatty acid from acyl CoA. And how the cholesterol synthesize in endoplasmic reticulum of hepatic cell, and the synthesis of cholesterol begins with acetyl CoA, and the acetyl CoA and acetoacetyl CoA converted into 3 hydroxy 3 methyl glutaryl CoA, that is HMG CoA by HMG CoA synthase. So the enzyme for the synthesis main enzyme for the synthesis of cholesterol is the HMG CoA synthase. So this was all about the catabolism and anabolism of fatty acid, and in my coming lecture we would be discuss each pathway of catabolism and anabolism in more detail. Allah Hafiz.